ladies and gentlemen, Mr. David Foster. Oh my gosh. Ang lakas ko! I was just so blessed, having to work with David Foster. Michael Bublé called me, "You are doing a Christmas song with David Foster."
It's really great to be here. Only this man can drag me out of bed because I'm kind of sick. I've been hugging everybody, giving them all my cold, but it's such a great thing to see all of you. Probably most of you know that I love the Philippines. I've been there probably 15
Yeah.
times. And we are filming, so I gotta get this right. I think you guys are the most musical country in the world. Obviously, countries should come close, but I mean, to hear a whole night of your songs sung by every single person in the audience is just a thing of beauty. So thank you for embracing me for all these years. Everywhere I go, Filipino people come up to me and just go, "Hey, well, I mean, this man Sofronio, I'm so happy for you. This is a beautiful turnout, and I'm happy to do this song."
Thank you so much. Do you remember me? I said